Got some new headphones from Mackie, the MC100s, just a real simple studio headphone, which I like. It's very old school, but brand new. And probably some sort of new speaker driver technology that I know nothing about. The unglamorous part of the job here. All right, here we go. Like I said, it's a simple studio headphone. Cable is always on my left, your left, my left, our left. There we go. Yeah, this is great. Oh yeah, these feel great. These are simple. Yeah, I'm digging them. Thanks, Mackie.